Oh my god. So cool to drive. When you don't drive this car for a week or two, it just feels incredible. Handbrake works. Emotions overfill again, just from driving, simple driving. Oh my gosh. Come on man, look, we got in front. So chaps, you've seen Turbo Miata is going strong. What many people don't know, I'm building engine as well. Honestly, I haven't touched it for months and it's in a quite poorly state, it's all dusty, but it's been honed, it's been all measured up, and essentially it just needs to be assembled. I got all the parts ready to go, ready to jump in there. In one of my videos where I was talking about the PCV valve delete, I showed you the valve cover where I was drilling the ports to hopefully eliminate the future problem with the crankcase gaseous ventilation. Okay, what about the head? All the head work has been complete, it's been lightly polished, I fitted the uprated springs, it's pretty much been all reconditioned and it's ready to jump onto the block. I also have two crankshafts. One got a slight defect, it got a scratch on one of the necks, so I needed to get another one, so it still needs to be measured up, cleaned and polished. I truly hope that I will have time in the near future, in the next couple of months, to fully finish the engine, and then I will drop in straight into the car. When the engine will be finished and ready to go, I also will drop new spooly boy. Here we go. I got the brand new, oh my god, it's heavy. Yeah, I got brand new Holset 22, I forgot already, 221W, which means internal wastegate turbo, which is supposed to be good for 300-350 horsepower, which is my goal. Right, and apart of the new engine and new turbo, I also have another huge upgrade that is coming. The upgrade is in excess of 100. The upgrade is in excess of £1,000 or €1,500 or USD dollars. It's huge. I'm really excited about this. I love drifting, so you may know what's coming. So stay tuned. I will talk about the new upgrade fairly soon. Many of you don't know, I also own another MX5 that actually will be for sale fairly soon. I will do another video on this topic just for the sale, but now I will show you what I got essentially. So guys, here it is, another MX5. And this is actually the drift weapon. It's a future car for one of you. And this is all my rubbish in the garage as well. I got wheels, diffs lying around, there are gearboxes, everything. Couple of more words about this beauty. Couple of more words about this beauty. This is actually a gem, and you will see why I'm calling this a gem. Just look at this. Oh my god. Whoop. That's it. I'm not gonna show you anymore because there will be a special video designated for this car. I still need to do quite a lot of work on this car. Essentially what I'm doing, I removed the 6-speed gearbox from this car and installed the 5-speed. It's just purely because I need just a replacement gearbox for my MX5, just in case it's gonna blow up, because as you know now, I'm chasing 350 horsepower, and I just got a sneaky suspicion that the gearbox is not gonna last long at all. So yeah, hopefully it's not gonna upset anybody, the future owner of this car, that I swapped 6-speed for a 5-speed, which is cheaper, but it's gonna be really good drift car for somebody. I don't want to put any time scales, how long or how soon I will be able to work on this car again, because my first priority would be engine, I guess. Which is gonna take me a couple of months at least with the other work I do. Hopefully by the end of this year this car will be ready. And we have another Miata or Mazda MX5. It's quite a clean, not without a rust, there is a little bit of a rust as usual. But I'm thinking to use this car. I will use this shell essentially for instead of my current Miata, because my current Miata is a bit crooked, and I'm not sure if it's gonna survive more crashes, maybe 1 or 2 small crashes, and after that I possibly will swap for the new shell. Anastasia is quite pissed off what I've said right now because she is driving this car at the moment. So tomorrow is a drift day, car is ready, car is prepped, tires are okay, not perfect but okay. So yeah, I think the next episode will be from the drift day itself. Stay tuned.